If you are the owner of the Mazda 2.2 Skyactiv, there is a couple of common problems that causes the engine light to come on. This is normally activated by the service inspection light that can be seen on the dashboard like this. The first fault will most likely be caused by the map sensor that is clogged and blocked. It is located just down here. It's quite easy to take out and you will see straight away if there is an issue. Unfortunately for your viewing experience, I didn't take a picture of this, but rest assured when you see the next bit you will probably be able to imagine what it will like. The next thing to do is to remove the inlet manifold. I haven't really shown much of this in detail, but you will see shortly how much carbon built-up there is. There's quite a few bits to take off, so here goes. If you've seen some of my other videos, you will understand how bad the inlet manifold gets on these modern day diesels, and you can clearly see that this is definitely causing an issue on this vehicle too. So from my experience with this engine, I would firstly replace the MAF sensor, secondly remove the inlet manifold and give it a really good clean, including all the ports. It really does make me wonder how these diesel engines run and are even economical these days. And to think that most of this is caused by add-ons that are supposed to reduce emissions. Just look at the throttle body, it's almost blocked. If you're doing this job, you're gonna need a good few hours set aside to give all the items a really good clean. This almost makes me laugh. Here's the amount of carbon that has been released from the inlet manifold after just a little bit of scraping. Totally astonishing. Now we're starting to look much better a couple of hours later. Now with everything cleaned up, it's time to rebuild the inlet manifold and to see what happens with the engine. Can you see how much bigger those ports are now? The engine will be able to breathe. With this completed and the fault code erased, if the fault persists, there is another additional problem on the 2.2 Skyactiv engine. And it is caused by the exhaust pressure sensor, which is located here. As far as I am aware, this is only available from Mazda. It comes in a kit and varies slightly from the original one. Obviously, this is modified for the job. There is a new bracket and a new wiring harness. Just assemble it like so and then refit it. Here's a few more screenshots of the item. And once you've fitted it, I'm pretty sure all your engine management light demons should disappear. So now it's time to clear the fault codes and give it a road test, and hopefully all is good. So, is this a job you're looking at doing, or is it a job you've done? Why not leave us a comment below and let us know how you got on with it. This has been How to Fix It. Why not give us a like and hit subscribe? And if you enjoyed this video, why not check out some of these other great videos on how to fix it.